As you see, here is the Artemis SLS Orion rocket, 3D printed. Yeah, we are working since 3 weeks here with the 3D printers, and you see our printery is working. Here this is a Starship part, there comes the Artemis part, here is also Starship and SpaceX Starship. So the results are here. You see a lot of Raptor engines and grid fins, and here it looks like at SpaceX with Elon Musk. The same, only in a nano factory. Here are small printers who are working on the engines. One second printer is printing an Orion capsule. Third printer makes a Raptor engine, and the fourth also. All 8 printers, what you see here now, were repaired by Luke. And Luke wants to explain you now how he do it. So, hello Luke.
Hello. I changed the extruder because it doesn't work anymore. And the next step is to put the new wind on the printer because he doesn't have one. So we need these little things, and then we have to put it in here like this, and now you can put it on this thing, and here.
As you see, Luke is busy. The printer is totally disassembled. Everything is naked, and he inspect everything, change the parts, repair the parts, and build it in again, and test it also. Now you see here is a lot of work, tools of extra parts and extra parts again. And so you see we have a real factory for 3D printing. Thank you, Luke.
You're welcome.